Good day, my name is Thando Makhoba, proudly from Mochudi in Katlin. A QPB pharmacist, the founder and CEO of Aura Academy, a modeling institute, and an advocate for students with learning disabilities. My journey has been built on service and empowerment. Through healthcare, education, and mentorship, I've dedicated my life to helping others discover their purpose and realize their full potential. At Aura Academy, we use modeling as a tool to strengthen their self-confidence, develop them into leaders, and prepare them for success on and off the runway. The one thing that I want Botswana to remember about me is that I'm a woman of purpose. I believe the greatest measure of success is the positive impact we leave in other people's lives. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027 finalist, I want to use my platform to advocate for inclusive education while empowering young people. My story is unique because I've chosen to build bridges between healthcare, education, and mentorship. Every chapter of my life has been guided by one mission: empowering others. Whether saving patients as a QPB pharmacist, or mentoring aspiring models through Aura Academy, or preaching inclusive education, my purpose remains the same: helping others. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027 finalist, I am very proud to be representing my country.